Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert image to Word document. Converting an image to a Word document allows for easy editing, formatting and share of textual content. So let's start the video. This is the image we want to convert into Word document. So the first step is to open Microsoft Word. Now click on the Insert tab in the Word ribbon. And then click on Pictures, insert picture from, select this device. Locate and select the picture and click on Insert. So this is the image. With image in Word document, click on File and then click on Save As. Now click on Browse and select the location and file name, and in Save As type, select PDF. Now click on Save button. So this is the PDF file. Now it's time to open the newly created PDF file in Microsoft Word. So click on File and then click on Open. Again click on Browse. So this is our PDF file. It's on desktop, and click on Open. You will see a pop-up. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK. Image has been converted into Word document. You now have a fully editable Word document containing the text from your original image. So that's how to convert image to Word document. Thanks for watching.